I was rolling. Anyway, what is up, guys? My name is Big DC. You can call me DC. And today we're going to be talking about one of my dilemmas as a streamer that I solved using 3D printing. So, one of the dilemmas as a streamer is getting the camera into a position where really it would look really nice, right? As a cinematographer, that's always the biggest problem. Getting your camera to a position where it would feel natural and it would look good. And that was the problem that I had. So, one of my solutions originally was to buy a desk stand, which you can get on Lazada and Shopee, and you would put a ball head on that, and your camera would be there, right? My big problem with that for me is that my desk is huge, so my camera ends up being so far that I can't even reach it to turn it on. For reference, my camera that I use for stream is the same camera that you're seeing right now. It's a Sony a6300 with a 16mm Sony pancake lens. I wish I had the Sigma, but I don't. I would really want the Sigma though. But yeah, my problem was my lens was super wide. I do have tighter lenses, but they're not as great for streaming because all of my other lenses don't have autofocus and this one does. So the problem that I had was, okay, I need to get it closer, but I don't have the desk space for it. My solution was to take inspiration from webcams. So they usually hook onto your monitor, right? So I took inspiration from that. I modeled a little stand where I can put a ball head on it, and yeah, that was it. So this is it. This white part right here, I 3D modeled that in Fusion 360. It took me a few attempts, but yeah, this hangs onto your monitor, and you screw in using a 1-inch bolt, quarter 20 bolt at the bottom into your ball head, or for me it's a pan tilt head that I got from my old monopod that I don't use anymore, and it's kind of trash, but it works. So yeah, this is what my solution was. I took inspiration from webcams wherein they hang over your monitor. So I have this version which is really wide because my original version was really thin, and my problem with the really thin version of it was this one. Although this was an older version where this part wasn't rounded. My problem with this, that I tried screwing on the ball head onto this, it would literally wobble on my monitor because the center of gravity was so high on the ball head. So I had to make this part longer, this part over here longer, and so that the center of gravity for the whole apparatus would fall behind the monitor, so it would be pulling down instead of it balancing on top. So yeah, in order to not waste the plastic, I just put a cold shoe mount there, and I just mount my light there in front of my monitor. So yeah, at least it's not wasted. For the most part, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys this little contraption. It's gonna be on Thingiverse as well if you guys want to print it. I'm gonna have both versions, a newer updated version of that light one, and this version that I use for my camera, so you guys can just mount it on your monitors and put a ball head on it. So yeah, so if you guys have any comments, suggestions, originally I thought if people are having problems with balancing this out, I can make like small adapters so that it could push against the back of the monitor so that you can like level it. I haven't really gotten into that yet. I don't know if it will be necessary if you're using a ball head. But yeah, if you guys have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, and like recommendations on what to model next for like streamers or for like general everyday ideas, as long as I have the idea of how to make it and the motivation to, I will try. So yeah, again, my name is Big DC. You can call me DC. You can follow all of my social medias. If you guys want to talk to me, you can tweet at me at BigDCPH. And yeah, alam. This was a shorter video, by the way. I don't know what the next video is gonna be. I know I have 2 videos lined up right now, but yeah, that's gonna be it for like the next week, I guess. I guess the next video could be the teleprompter if and when I design it. So like keep a lookout on like YouTube for that. I might go live on YouTube for that, or maybe just live on YouTube for games. I don't know if you guys would want to watch me stream like games on this YouTube channel, but yeah,